California green chemistry is a very important issue for anyone who lives in the state of California or anyone who's doing business in the state of California. What green chemistry is a focus on European type principles, which are known as the precautionary principle, and it's designed to set forth a set of regulations and a statutory framework that shifts the burden of proof to manufacturers and businesses to prove that their products are safe or to remove chemicals or other hazardous substances from the products themselves. What's different about California green chemistry is that the regulators, instead of just looking at one aspect of a chemical like its toxicity, are looking at the entire life cycle of the product, basically from cradle to grave. And they're exploring what are both the potential health hazards associated with that product, as well as how does it impact the environment. The regulations themselves are being drafted, and a draft set of regulations should be ready this summer. There's a deadline in January of 2011 to get these regulations forward. The focus of the green chemistry program is to focus on a concept called benign by design. And those catchy words really focus on the following goals. The state is looking to identify and prioritize a group of hazardous chemicals and then try to set forth a statutory framework to protect consumers from those chemicals, both how they may affect our bodies and our health, our children's health, as well as how they affect the environment. Once a set of chemicals are identified and prioritized, the regulatory framework sets out that there should be an assessment of how to deal with those chemicals. There are a number of regulatory options. They include just providing new information about the chemicals or providing labels and warnings about the chemicals. Another option is for a more controlled use of the chemicals to reduce the amount of chemicals in products, or the regulatory framework provides that the chemicals may be banned altogether, which of course would have a major impact on anyone who is manufacturing or selling these products. The implications of the green chemistry program are very broad, and perhaps the most challenging aspect right now is determining what kind of guidelines are these government agencies working with. There really are no definitions that anyone can get their arms around at this point in time. And companies are best advised to be paying attention to this. If they have chemicals of concern that are in their products, they really should begin working now to try to reduce the use of those chemicals or eliminate those chemicals or come up with alternative strategies to try to work around and work with these statutes, because this is something that's not going away.